Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the new Auto Create Reels feature on Facebook using your PC. This recent update makes it easier than ever to turn your photos and videos into engaging reels automatically, without needing to manually edit anything. Let's walk through the steps together so you can turn this feature on in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Next, click on Settings to open your main account settings page. Now that you're inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different sections on the left-hand side. Scroll through until you find Media and click on it. This is where Facebook controls how your photos and videos behave across the platform. Inside the media settings, look for the option labeled Auto Create Reels. This is the new feature we're focusing on today. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or selection option. Simply switch it to on. Once you've enabled it, Facebook will automatically start creating reels from your eligible photos and videos. This is a great way to stay active on the platform without spending extra time editing content manually. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Auto Create Reels on Facebook using your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring your settings because Facebook updates features regularly and there's always something new to discover.